Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rizwan Shahid. I have made this voice activated home automation system. Reason to introduce this system to you is because home automation is gaining popularity as it helps in reducing human efforts, errors and increase efficiency. So one of this is here. Now initially I will introduce the components I have used in my project, which are Arduino Uno, a microcontroller, Bluetooth module or HC05, relay module with 4 channels and 12-volt bulb and 12-volt DC fan and a 12-volt supply. So let's analyze its connections via software and hardware. So now let's get started building up the connections one by one using these all components. Now I have tried to build my connections between the Uno Arduino and HC05 Bluetooth module. As you can see that I have connected my RX and TX pin, interfaced it with Arduino's RX and TX pin. Okay, and now simply the basics. This 5-volt and ground is I have grounded it and given the VCC to my HC05 Bluetooth module, and same I have done with my Arduino. Now I will make the connections between my Arduino Uno and the relay module. So now let's get started. So now I have built up the connections between my Arduino and my relay module. Okay, now simply I have grounded the ground pin and VCC pin with 5 volts of this relay module and build up the respected connections. Okay, now from this first channel I will control this bulb 12 volt, and from the second channel I will control my DC fan 12 volt. Okay, now I have already connected my bulb and my fan to these respective relay module channels. Okay, and only 2 channels will be interfaced. Okay, will be used. And now my hardware side is done. So now let's move to the software side and check out the coding for my Arduino. Now initially I have defined the pins of Arduino, pin number 2 and 3. 2 is of fan and 3 is of bulb. Now in second void setup I have declared the baud rate and the pin mode, fan and bulb, which is obviously used as an output. Now here is written serial dot available. When Bluetooth receive any command, it will switch in this loop and will read such type of command which we will send through our microphone as bulb off, fan off, bulb on or fan on. And same it will store it in string. Okay, and then give it to the Arduino, and Arduino will perform its operation of switching the devices. And this is my whole program, and I will burn it in my Arduino. Now I have I have built all the circuit and connected respectively, and I have burned this code in my Arduino. And now this is I have made this by using MIT application. Here I will connect HC05 Bluetooth modulator, and now I will give command to it, just like bulb on, fan on, fan on, fan off, bulb off, all on, fan off, bulb off. So you can see that I have made this run successfully, and so that's it with my code and circuit, and thank you. Now as far as my simulation is concerned, I have made same circuit as I have made in the hardware, and now I will simulate it. First I will connect my Bluetooth. I have loaded the hex file here in the Arduino, and now I will run it. So this is running, and now I will connect my Bluetooth with computer's Bluetooth, and now you can see it is connected. Now I will send the command bulb on, and look, the bulb is on. And now fan on, look, the fan switch is on and this is on, it's working. All off, fan off, fan off, look, the fan is off. Bulb off, bulb is off. So this is also working, hardware and software perfectly done. Now I have made it, and thank you very much.